Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix balance credit due error in or on OpenArt. So the balance credit due error in this platform usually means your account is trying to use credits or features that aren't currently covered by your plan, or a payment didn't go through properly. So actually guys, first you will need to check your credit balance. So you will need to go to your profile picture that's located at the top right corner right here, and then just go with subscriptions. So here you will need to look at the remaining credits just right here on my credit section, and the subscription status, okay, that you can find on the current plan. And if the credits are 0 or negative, that's the cause of the error. So what to do now? All you need to do is to refresh your subscription status. So sometimes the system hasn't updated. So just go here, go and tap on your or click on your profile icon that's located at the top right, and then just sign out from your account and log back in, and then just wait 1 to 2 minutes and try again. Also guys, I really advise you to upgrade or renew your plan. So if your subscription expired or downgraded, you will need just to go right here, then go with subscription here, and then go with upgrade, right? And now just resubscribe to a plan and confirm the payment, so this immediately restore credits access. Also guys, if you were recently charged or tried to pay, just check if your card was declined or pending. So try another card or PayPal if available, and even you can re-add payment method. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.